Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is actually not morning. It is around 1 in the what is it, afternoon? Yeah, and sorry if I sound a bit weird or something like that right now, but I have hiccups. It's really fucking annoying, and I have still not do the dishwashing, and I am about to go down to buy something to eat for lunch. And also, the turntable I talked about yesterday. I write to him and he aren't selling it for the price that he said, because he found out that what is it called, the needle, or the head is broken. So I'm really deciding right now if I should buy it or not, because I can always buy a new head and put on, but it can be really pricey. So I can basically end up using the same amount of money that I could use for a new one. So I don't really know, because I really want the record there, so I can play those few records that I have, which is in the moment 2, and I am actually waiting for a new one, also with As It Is. Yeah, sorry, it's just my hiccup right now. It's really fucking annoying. And the thing is, when I have hiccup, my chest starting to hurt. And I don't need to have hiccup for a really long time before it starts to hurt. So it's really annoying, and I really hope it soon will go away, because I don't fucking want that. My lunch is ready, and it ended up being lasagna, just like yesterday. And my hiccup is not disappearing yet. And I mean, lasagna just like my dinner yesterday. And I was saying it wrong. It's not my dinner, it's my lunch right now. And also, I'm sitting and watching a Pointless Vlog. Yeah, they're one of his daily vlogs. So, and afterwards, I think I will, who knows, take a shower, film a main channel video, and do the fucking dishwashing. That is probably what I'm going to do here today. And now my hiccup is really fucking annoying. And also all the cars that are outside is also a bit annoying. Guys, I don't know how well you actually can see me, so just a moment. But I haven't been doing any of the things that I have planned for today, which was filming, get a shower, something really gross, but not get a shower, shave, and that's basically it. I have to do the dishwashing, but I haven't done any of the other things, and right now it's around 8 in the evening, and to be quite honest, I don't want to go out in the bathroom, take a shower, and shave. So I don't know, maybe I will film a main channel video and just look the way that I do, even though I look really disgusting in the moment, I think. And the beard doesn't really suit me, but I'm considering doing that, or don't make a video. And also, if I make a video, I will probably not be doing the setup that I normally do, which is standing in front of that wall. I will probably just be sitting down here on that one, but I don't really know, because I don't want to do a lot of things right now. I don't want to really set up the equipment and standing up and filming, and the corner I normally have filmed in is still a fucking mess. But I also think that even though I don't really wanting to film right now, I still want to upload a video tomorrow. So that's the thing. I want to be able to upload a video tomorrow, but right now I don't have a video to upload. So I have to film one, but I don't know, maybe I could film it tomorrow and edit it and uploading it tomorrow, or yeah, or maybe I should just film it today and then edit and upload it tomorrow. And also I have not really quite decided what to film. If I'm going to film a video where I'm just talking about a certain subject and have a couple in my head, or if I am doing something other or something different, because I have actually considering doing at least one tag video, but I'm not sure if I what the heck just happened with my voice. But yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. And also it's a tag where I'm talking about myself, like for instance I want to do the 50 facts about me video, but the thing is, or 25, it doesn't matter, but the thing is I am terrible at coming up with facts about myself. I have a list somewhere and I think I am up to 10 facts right now, and that's it, and I have tried to come up with facts for 2 or 3 weeks now, so I'm terrible at it. But right now, while I'm considering what I'm going to do, I think I will maybe sit down and watch an anime, but I don't know which one. Because yeah, the fact is, I am a bit of a nerd or a geek, and I love anime, but I have seen so many, so I don't really know what to see right now. I think I have seen about 200 or 300 animes, so some of them is just a big blur and mixed together in my mind. So I don't know if I want to see one of the animes I already has seen, or if I want to see a new one. But I will figuring that out. Guys, yeah, I decided to make the main channel video today, and I have just been filming it, and sorry my finger was in the shot, and it had took me a lot of times to just try. And the video I decided to do was the ABC tag, and yeah, I can say it to you because this video will be up about the same time, maybe after my main channel video is up. So when you're seeing this, the main channel video is already up. So, but yeah, I decided to do that, and right now I have to take that down, and I've just gone into YouTube, and I am also going, of course, to listen to music while I'm taking that down. And I can see my camera is about to die, so I will end this vlog here. So I know it has been boring, I haven't really been doing anything, and I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, good night guys.